Welcome back to my channel, Blue Kitty. I'm in my bathroom. So I was on the internet looking at videos and I saw something amazing. Valentine Day coming up, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to get a little festive, put some hearts on your cheek. See, I didn't have no heart stickers. I didn't want to go to no store, so I just cut mine out myself. So get you a heart sticker or something shaped like a heart and put it where you want to put it. I'm gonna put mine right here. I got tattoos on my face, so I mean I already got a lot of art on my face. Put it right here. Put your little stickers on your face. And then get you some kind of eyeshadow. You know you do this after you perfect your makeup. Don't look at my hair right now. It's a little crazy because I just worked out. But these hearts though. Put these hearts on your cheeks. Then get you some eyeshadow. I just got some cheap eyeshadow because I'm not using my MAC. Get you some eyeshadow, put it on a little brush, and dab around the sticker. It's kind of light. You know, just dab. Just dab. Oh, that's a little bit too much, but I look like a clown. Just dab it on there, dab it on there. Put these hearts on your cheeks so you can look like a fool in a restaurant. I don't know who come up with this stuff, but I just decided to try it. Honestly, this is something good for Halloween. You get you a heart sticker and some eyeshadow. Yeah. And dab that thing on there. I look like an idiot. Anyway, this is what the people want. Some hearts on their cheek for Valentine Day. But I did see a girl, she put some up here on her eyes. I think it was like right there. Right there. It was cute. So dab. So now y'all ready for the big reveal? Oh, I got purple down here. I don't know, it might mess it up. Try to do an amber. An ombre heart. Ooh, that's ugly. Ooh, that's ugly. Ooh, that's ugly. But it's neat, it's cute. But it's ugly. So now, for the big reveal. Then you just get your sticker and pull it off. Carefully. Here, if I can. Come on. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can see because my lighting ain't so bad. Okay. And there you have it. A mess on your face. Let me show you. Release tripod. Who gonna wear this for Valentine's Day? Huh? I'm trying to get where y'all can see it. But who gonna wear this? Like, who gonna walk around? Who gonna walk around with some hearts on their face though? I guess. Valentine Day tutorial with your hearts on your face. I can't do it. Anyway, that's y'all tutorial. Heart cheeks, heart blush. Thank y'all for watching. I just had to show y'all this little video because I just saw it.